Welcome back to my channel. Let's quickly calculate this chemistry equation. This is one of the exam past questions. Okay, so let's quickly calculate it, and we are given from option A to option D. Once we are done, we will select the correct answer. Okay, let's read the question. An organic compound has an empirical formula of this and vapor density of 45. They said, what is the molecular formula? Meaning this is the empirical formula. Are you getting it? This is the empirical formula and vapor density of 45. Now we are asked, what is the molecular formula? Okay, so take note of the atomic masses of each element. Sometimes when exam set this type of questions, they will not give you the atomic masses. I get it. So it's less for you to give the correct atomic mass of each element, then you continue with your calculation. I get it. That's why it's very important to know atomic masses or atomic mass of different elements. Okay, so now the first element here is what? Look at it. Let me draw it so you can see it very well. The first element here is carbon, right? So the atomic mass of carbon is 12, atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, atomic mass of oxygen is 16. In this type of calculations, atomic number is not used. I guess it is the atomic masses that are used. So please take note. Okay, so and this subscript, this 2 is in the downside of hydrogen. Please take note. Okay, it's because I type it, that's why. Okay, so when you're writing it, make sure these 2 should be at the downside. Are you getting it? And look at these options here. All these numbers are in the downside of this given element. Okay, it's because of typing. So let's continue. So this is a given empirical formula, right? Let's write it out. CH2, okay, CH2O, okay, CH2O, then you bracket everything. Okay, bracket everything, then X, okay, then equal to this 45. This 45, take note, they said what? They said vapor density of 45, meaning vapor density will be what? Multiplied by what? 2. This 45 is 2 times, so 2 times vapor density. Okay, vapor density. Are you getting it? So the vapor density is 45, right? So it will now be what? 2 times what? 45. Okay, 2 times 45. 2 times 45, it will give us what? 90, right? So everything will now be what? Equal to 90. So let's write it again. The subscript, which is 2O, everything in bracket, X equal to what? Don't mind my handwriting, it's okay. Everything equal to 90. So are you getting it? So if the question, if you see this type of question and it said and vapor density of a particular number, you what? Multiply it by what? 2 times of what? Vapor density. Okay, so this is 2 times of this. 2 times of 45 is what? Is 90. So now let's calculate the relative molecular mass of this compound. Are you getting it? Relative molecular mass of this compound. What you need to do is to just add and multiply. It's very simple. Okay, so what you will use the atomic masses. Look at them here. So you will use the atomic masses. Okay, and here the atomic masses are already given, but in a situation where if the atomic masses are not given, it's less for you to give or to write out the correct atomic masses. But in this question, the atomic masses are given, so let's use them. Okay, so the first element here is what? Is carbon, right? C. Let me draw it. So look at it here. The first one is what? Is carbon. Second, hydrogen. Third, what? Is oxygen, right? So the first one is carbon, and the atomic mass of carbon is what? Is 12, right? So we write 12. Okay, 12. Then you what? Add, which is plus. Okay, plus hydrogen. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. Then anywhere you see, anytime you see all these down numbers, make sure you multiply, not addition. Okay, so it will be what? 1 times 2. 1 times 2. Then you add again plus the oxygen. The atomic mass of oxygen is what? Is 16. Are you getting it now? Is 16. Okay, so bracket, open and close, x equal to 90. Are you getting it now? So from here we have 30x. If you open the bracket, okay, 30x equal to 90. Are you getting it now? 90. So if you make x the short of the formula, x equal to 90 all over 30. So if you divide, the value of x will now be what? 90 divided by 30 is 3, right? So this is the value of x. So now they said we are asked to what? To write down the what? The molecular formula. Are you getting it? We are asked to what? Write down the molecular formula. Are you getting it? This is empirical formula. So we have calculated for the value of x. So let's write down the molecular formula. Okay, so to write out the molecular formula, what you need to do is write out this empirical formula. I guess let's write it down. The empirical formula is what? Which is C CH 2 what? O, right? This is the empirical formula. So what we need to do now is we use this value of x, this one 3, to multiply the atoms of each element in this empirical formula. Are you getting it? You can see that here hydrogen has 2 atoms, right? Hydrogen has 2 atoms, but here you are not seeing any number at the downside of oxygen and carbon, so meaning they have what? 1 atom here. Are you getting it? 1 1. But hydrogen only is what? 2. So it's from 2 upward before you can write these numbers at the downside of each element. Are you getting it? But since it's only 1 1, no need of writing the these things, the atoms here. Okay, so just take note that any single element in a compound, any single element where you are not seeing any number or any subscript, just note that there is what? An unknown one here. Okay, so no need of writing it. Are you getting it? So what we need to do is to use this 3 to multiply those atoms. Are you getting it? So the first one is what? Is carbon, right? The first one is carbon. So I said before, I said here we have what? 1. Here we have 1. Okay, oxygen 2, we have 1 here. We have 1 here. Okay, so 3 times 1, the first one, which is carbon, it will give us what? 3. The second one is hydrogen. Hydrogen has 2, so 3 times 2 will give us what? 6 atoms of what? Hydrogen. The last one, which is the oxygen, is what? 3 times 1, it gives us what? 3. So are you getting it now? So from the option, which one is the correct one? You can see that which option? C3 is C. Okay, option C is the correct what? Answer. So are you seeing it now? So this is how to calculate this type of questions. Okay, so in case you don't understand, you can rewatch the video. The handwriting, they're very like zigzag. I don't know why. So thanks for watching. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, if you are watching on Facebook, follow this page for more videos. Please be like and drop your comment, and please click on the share arrow and share this video for other students to watch and learn. If you are watching on YouTube, subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.